Well, folks, Bed Bath & Beyond stock is not looking pretty right now. It's currently about noon on the East Coast, and the stock is down over 18%. It's right around 65 cents a share when just in the pre-market, it was over 80 cents, and it's been over 80 cents pretty much the past couple of weeks. And if you guys remember, the low from a couple weeks ago was, I think, 75 cents, so we clearly took that low out, and now we're trading at an all-time low for the stock, for the company. That's not good. The all-time high was at 80 bucks back in 2014, and now again we're at an all-time low, chilling at 65 cents. So in this video, we're going to break down what is going on right now with Bed Bath & Beyond stock. Are they going bankrupt? Are they trying to be revived? What the heck is going on? So if you guys find value, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to get up to 17 stocks from Moomoo. You have literally 1 or 2 more days to do that. More on that later. Link down below. And now let's dive into it. So again, guys, ugly day out there, and I wouldn't be surprised, honestly, if this thing kept on bleeding throughout the day. Again, now it's down 19%. By the end of this video, for all we know, it could be down well over 20%. So let me actually pull up the press release so we can see exactly what is going on right now. So you guys probably know, again, they're on the verge of bankruptcy, so they're trying to do anything right now to avoid bankruptcy. So Bed Bath & Beyond, you guys can see right here, announced today that it filed a prospectus supplement with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, in other words, the SEC, under which it may offer and sell up to $300 million of shares of its common stock from time to time through an at-the-market offering program, also known as ATM program. You guys see that right here, right? With a maximum aggregate offering amount of up to $300 million. The timing and amount of any sales will be determined by a variety of factors considered by the company. And coming down a little bit more here, common stock will be offered through B. Riley Securities, which is serving as the sales agent. Actually, you guys can't even see that. Let me come up a little bit more. You guys see that now? B. Riley may sell common stock by any lawful method deemed to be an at-the-market offering. Again, ATM offering, defined by Rule 415A.4 of the Securities Act of 1933 as amended, including without limitation sales on any existing trading market. Sales may be made at market prices prevailing at the time of a sale or at prices related to prevailing market prices. As a result, sales prices may vary. You guys can see right there. And on top of that, guys, there's more. Let's talk about this. Bed Bath & Beyond also announced today that concurrent with the new at-the-market offering program, which we just talked about, launched earlier today, the company has also entered into a common stock purchase agreement and a registration rights agreement, collectively common equity facility, with B. Riley Principal Capital, LLC, to provide additional capital to the company. And simultaneously, the company is terminating its previous public equity offering and all outstanding warrants for Series A convertible preferred stock associated with that offering, which we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second. And coming down a little bit here, guys, Sue Gove, which you guys probably know is the president and CEO of Bed Bath & Beyond, she said the actions we've taken have enabled us to create the necessary financial runway, I sure hope so, guys, to begin restoring our iconic Bed Bath & Beyond and Bbby businesses. We have raised $360 million of equity capital since the beginning of February, cured our default under our credit agreement, repaid material amounts of our ABL facility, completed our interest payment for our senior notes, all while jump-starting our turnaround plan. So we'll see, guys. We'll see. I mean, at this point, we are on pace, and by we, I mean Bed Bath & Beyond. Sue Gove said, we are on pace to achieve our target of 360 top-performing Bed Bath & Beyond stores by the end of April, in addition to our existing 120 Bbby stores. In conjunction with our online business, these productive stores are pivotal to our omni-channel strategy and future profitability. I sure hope so, guys. And you all probably know Bed Bath & Beyond, they've been shutting locations all around the country. I think the one that I was talking about, throughout my Bed Bath & Beyond videos that I went to all the time here in New Jersey, well, not all the time, but, the one that's near my house, that ended up shutting down. I drove by the other day and I was like, holy crap, it's completely empty. And this is at a very popular, shopping center that's around, a lot of people that a lot of people go to it's shut down. So they're shutting down a lot of these locations, guys, and of course they're shutting down completely the Harmon, what was it called? Harmon Beauty and Wellness, whatever, that's getting shut down. So they're doing anything right now to save money, to preserve capital. They're raising money, they're issuing shares, they're cutting back on all these stores. They're on life support at this point in time. And you may be asking yourself, Stas, do you own Bed Bath & Beyond stock? And the answer to that question is yes, I do. I think I bought it on Thursday or Friday. Either way, I bought it at 81 cents, and now I'm in the hole. And guys, you know me, I'm not a big gambler, speculative guy in the stock market, so I bought it with a very small amount of money. And who knows, maybe now that it's at 65 cents, again, I bought it at 81, now is when I'll buy the next batch of shares, which I told you guys I'm looking to build up the position to $1,000, an amount of money that I'm willing to lose. I'm cool with losing it. And if it 10x is great, if we get a short squeeze, which who knows if that's going to happen, but if it goes to zero, it's all good. So I might add more here today. We'll see how it goes. Of course, I'll keep you guys updated, but that is what is going on. And if we hop over here to the CNBC article, bear with me, guys, we can see right here, according to the filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission, the company said its $565 million revolving loan was decreased from $565 to $300 million. So in other words, guys, their financing is getting decreased. And you guys can see here, which is not a good sign, as part of the amendment to its loans, Bed Bath will now be on the hook for monthly interest payments. And I'm curious, what are the monthly interest payments, or what is the the percentage, right, that they're paying? I'm very interested. I might have to dig a little bit deeper to dive into that to see what that actually is. But overall, guys, that is what is sending down the stock right now. They're issuing a bunch of shares. They're on, this is like their last ditch effort to avoid bankruptcy. And let me actually pull the stock back up to see if we're down even more from where we were when we started this video. Probably, right? Yeah, now we're down 19.2%, on the verge of being down 20%. And like I said, guys, I would not be surprised if this thing were to go down over 20% today. And who knows? I mean, at this point, over time, yes, they might go bankrupt, but like I said, I'm buying this thing as a speculation, pure speculation, on the off chance that we do get a short squeeze, which again, it's a gamble, it's a speculation. Time will tell, guys. We'll see how it ends up playing out. So Bed Bath & Beyond now is at 65 cents, down over 19%, and this might be where I end up adding more. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. Hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and my second channel, Stas Talks Money, link down below. And don't forget to get up to 17 stocks for Moomoo. If you guys want to help out the channel and you want some free money, use that link down below. Once you open up an account, you get 1 free share of stock. If you deposit at least $100, you get 6 more free shares. And if you deposit at least $1,000, you get another 10 stocks, totaling 17 free stocks. So if you deposit at least $100, guys, you're getting 7 stocks guaranteed. And again, if you deposit at least $1,000, you're getting 17 stocks guaranteed. And again, it also helps out the channel. Use that link down below. Check out the Patreon as well while you're at it. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys later.